Prakash, your biology teacher. Today, I will describe about the phylum Porifera. Porifera means having pores in their bodies. There are numerous pores in their bodies, and from that name, we got the name of this phylum as Porifera. So Porifera are the animals that have pores on their body. They are the simplest pore-bearing organism. They may be solitary, colonial, and sedentary. So what is solitary? Solitary means they move on their own. That means they move alone. They do not need. They do not move in multiple cells. That means they do not mean all as a whole. They move in a solitary manner, alone. They move alone. Now, colonial. Some are colonial. That means those organisms that remain in a group. Some Poriferas remain in a group, and that's why it is known as colonial. And some are sedentary. Sedentary means they do not move. They remain in one place. Now, these organisms are mostly marine, but some are remains in fresh water also. Their shape is a vast shape or cylindrical body. Body shows cell aggregate plan. The cells are grouped together, but they do not have any tissues or organ system. The whole body doesn't work in one unit. So they are called as cell aggregate plan. Now, there are pores, numerous pores on the body, and that is called ostia, from where water enters inside the body, and from that water, that organism gets all its nutrients. From this water, the organism gets all its nutrients, and there is a hole on the top of that organism, and that pore is known as osculum, which is the opening through which water exits from the body. So that numerous pores from where the water enters inside the body is known as ostia, and one large hole from where water bulges out from that organism, that is known as osculum. From osculum, the water exits from the body. Now, their body cavity is called spongocoel. Body cavity means there is the space inside the body is known as spongocoel. Their digestive system is absent, but there is special part known as choanocytes. You can see the picture. There is special part that is called choanocytes, which helps them in digestion. Their exoskeleton is made up of silica, CaCO3, or protein, spongine fibers. Now, Porifera feeds on detritus material present in water. The detritus means decaying material. They feed on decaying material. They reproduce both asexually and sexually. In asexual mode of reproduction, they reproduce by budding, whereas in sexual mode of reproduction, they form the gametes. Sponges have greater power of regeneration. They repair their bodies. They repair their cut portion. They have this power. They have the power of regeneration. Examples, I can use spongia. You can see the organisms. I'm pasting the pictures. So this is all over characteristics of the phylum Porifera. Hope you have understood the characteristics of this phylum, and if you have any query, ask me by giving a comment, and I will try to give your answers. Thank you.